It's been mandated here in Montgomery County that everyone must wear a face covering unless you're a child under the age of 2 or you have a health condition that prevents you from wearing one. County Health Officer Dr. Travis Gayles says wearing a mask is essential in keeping the number of coronavirus cases from surging.
Does this include outdoors? Should we be wearing them outside?
Yes, so the mandate requires folks to wear masks or face coverings outside, particularly in spaces where physical distancing is not possible to maintain and where you can't physically be separated from individuals by that 6 feet. So we tell folks it's indoors and outdoors. When you're wearing the mask, you have to have both your nose and your mouth covered, not this peeking through or peeking up, or this is the most common thing that we see. This is the proper way to wear your mask.
In a recent county survey, 91% of respondents said they think wearing a mask is very important in slowing the spread of COVID-19. And this also includes wearing a face covering outdoors.
For example, if you are an individual who is asymptomatic but actually have COVID-19, it blocks the particles coming out of your nose and mouth and helps block them and prevent them from getting on surfaces or coming into contact with other individuals. So that's why we promote wearing masks or face coverings in the general public.
78% of the survey respondents said they see many people wearing masks incorrectly. Dr. Gayles says all it takes is a few simple steps to mask up the right way.
Make sure your hands are clean, and then make sure it's securely over your nose and your mouth to cover both. And that's how you put on a mask. Sometimes they can get a little bit hot, it can itch, it can be a little bit of fatigue if you've had it on for a long period of time. And even in those settings, we say, hey, if you're by yourself and off in a space by yourself, take a little bit of a break. But when you're around other people, it's important to keep it on, and it's important for those other folks to keep theirs on as well to minimize any potential risk of transmission.
County officials are taking the mask mandate seriously and holding people accountable. Recently, some local establishments were shut down for not following the health order. Dr. Gayles says it's critical to hold people accountable as the county works to keep the number of infections down.
Because our task is, certainly we would like to open up things as much as we can and give folks opportunities to do things safely. But by enforcing those folks who are not adhering and the bad actors, so to speak, see that if they don't, there are consequences to their actions.
Overall, Gayles says Montgomery County residents are doing a good job of wearing their face coverings.
So congratulations to the residents of the county who have helped get us to where we are. And because of that, we need to continue to do the same things that we've been doing. I know it's tiring. Trust me, I know it's tiring. And give folks a chance to return to some sense of normalcy.
For more information about face coverings, visit the county's COVID-19 information portal. Reporting from Silver Spring, I'm Susan Kennedy.